Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide mutual friends on Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna open up the Facebook app. Here we can go to the menu section. Then on the top right side of the screen, we're going to click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. Here we need to scroll down until we find this section on how people find us and contact you. So we click on that. And then we're gonna have a question here. Who can see our friends list? The default setting on Facebook here is that everyone can see our friends list. The friends list also includes whether people can see our mutual friends, that is not only friends, but someone, let's say, has visited your page and can see the mutual friends list of you and this person. And you can only hide that if you choose. That you want only you to see your friends list. As you can see here, there are many options that your friends list can be seen by everyone. Either only your friends or a few of your friends, we can choose it, or one friend. It could be, for example, your husband, your girlfriend, your mom, or just you. If you want complete privacy so that absolutely no one can see your mutual friends or any friends at all, then you click Only Me. And then no one can see your friends or your mutual friends on Facebook. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write your comments, give us your likes. See you soon.